Hello, my friends. Today we're making this beautiful Argentinian hamburger Gaucho. Yep, Argentinian because it's gonna have their chorizo, Argentinian chorizo. So that's gonna make it Argentinian hamburger. I'm gonna use my flat top here. So we'll put the patties right on the top. This is running about 400 degrees, maybe 380. So it's gonna be ready in a minute. This is 1 pound of meat. I divided in four, so it's a quarter-pound each patty. There you have it. Look how the sizzling they are. And here are my chorizo, Argentinian chorizo. There you have it. I'm gonna flip it around just like that, upside down, and we're gonna continue here with our patties. This is almost ready. We're gonna flip them. These are so thin that they're gonna be ready in a few minutes. Only like about 2 minutes on each side. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. There you have the 4 patties sizzling on the flat top. This is ready, so I'm gonna start warming up my bread here. I'm gonna toast it a little bit on the flat top here. So there's the bun. You can use any bun of your choice. And once this is ready, we're gonna add any condiments that you want. I like to use mayonnaise here, so I'm gonna put some mayo on my buns here after I warm them up. Yep, there you go. Remember, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. There you have it. I put some mayo and some ketchup on both sides of my buns, and I'm gonna use some fresh lettuce here. Fresh lettuce from my patio. I just picked them up this morning. Fresh lettuce from my garden out back there. There you got, and then some fresh tomatoes on top as well. Look how fresh those lettuce look. Beautiful. This is ready for my patty, so I'm gonna flip again my Argentinian chorizos here. They're ready to go, and I'm gonna give it a last flip to my patties here. This one is fighting me, so I'm gonna leave them for the end. Well, guess what, buddy? You're gonna flip it anyway. There you go. And now I'm gonna put some Swiss cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I like Swiss with this one because this is Argentinian hamburger, and that's what usually comes with it. But you can use American cheese, white, yellow, any type of cheese that you like. And I'm gonna group them up here so I can get this cheese melted because we are outdoors here. So I'm gonna have to put a dome over it. So I'm gonna put a dome right over my patties here with the cheese, and that's gonna help melt that cheese. And if you wanna melt it even better, use a little bit of water. You put a little bit of water under that dome, and now that's gonna really melt that cheese. Hey, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. So once we leave that boiling like that for about a minute or so, look how beautiful that cheese actually all melted over your patties. Woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful. And this is ready. I'm gonna use double patties here, so these are gonna be double burgers, double cheeseburgers. Yeah, the Argentinian chorizo right on top. There you go. Argentinian chorizo right on top. And there you have it. The Argentinian Gaucho hamburger. The hamburger Gaucho. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. This is my new preferred burger at this time. Look at how beautiful this piece of food is. Oh my goodness. Just wait till you bite on this thing. It's just gonna melt in your mouth. So many flavors going on. All right, my friends. I'll see you next time. There you have it. Argentinian hamburger Gaucho.